Hey. How come that one's locked up? I can't see it. Ah. This one, it just probably died. Whatever that is. Look at the bird. Look at the bird. Reese's Puffs. Reese's Puffs. Eat them up. Eat them up. Drop a turd for us. Aw. This one's dead. This one's dead. This one, oh, it's alive. No. I just don't realize, why do they have two black vultures? Look. One black vulture, another black vulture. Well, no wonder, this one died. So then they got this one for replacements. Which, I don't know, can you moonwalk for us? Please do not feed the birds. They are on a natural diet. Okay. Do a flip.
He can't do it.
There's nothing fun about you. Can you fly? Are your wings broken? Don't make me break them. Fly. Come on. Give me an hour. Hey, another vulture. A turkey one. Ow.